Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. To start, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open a menu. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labelled Account Center and tap on it. Account Center is where you manage your connected accounts and shared features. Once inside, you will see several options. The one we need is Sharing across profiles. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you will see any accounts already connected to your Instagram. To link your Facebook account, tap on Add Accounts. It will prompt you to choose whether you want to add a Facebook or Instagram account. Select Facebook and log into your Facebook account. If you are already logged in on your device's browser, the process will be faster. Once you've added your Facebook account, the two accounts will be linked. After linking, go back to Instagram. When you create a new post, proceed as you normally would by selecting an image or video, adding a caption, and tapping Next. On the final page, before you post, you'll see an option labelled Share to Facebook. If it's disabled, tap on it to enable sharing. This ensures that your post will automatically appear on both Instagram and Facebook. If you also want to share your stories or reels automatically, go back to the Settings menu, navigate to Account Center, and return to Sharing across profiles. From there, select your Facebook account and enable options for sharing stories and reels. This way, any stories or reels you post on Instagram will also appear on Facebook. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of posting on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.